video to show you how this card looks like at the end. Let's open it up, and we have the egg in the middle. And yes, so just to show you again, it is literally one sheet of paper. You fold it lengthwise and cut out the dotted lines here. Make sure you keep these edges uncut. Then you fold it, make a neat crease, open it up again, fold widthwise, make sure everything is neat, fold it again, and then this time as you fold it, make sure the egg pops out in the opposite direction. There we go. And then give it a good squeeze, and you have your super simple printable pop-up egg card to design whichever way you want. Two designs available, one with 2 eggs, one with a little chick and an egg on the inside. So why don't you just grab that now and have a go. Bye.